Previously on Wanderwalkers, we arrived in Singapore, the first stop of our incredible honeymoon.
In this video, we fly from Singapore to our first European city of this trip, Munich. We hope you enjoy this vlog. Good morning everyone. Today is our second full day here in Singapore. We are just about to walk out the door, gonna go grab coffee and some breakfast. So let's go.
It's coffee time.
Coffee time. Got ourselves a coffee and we're just sitting in the shade because it's decided to come out really hot and sunny at the moment, so we're trying not to burn ourselves. We're just over here at the Esplanade. There's the Merlion over there and the Marina Bay Sands famous cruise ship hotel is just over there too. So it's a nice spot. We might go for a little walk along the Esplanade here, I think, and get some food. At a restaurant.
So, we are at Robertson Quay. We just had lunch and more coffee.
Yes, we did. Now we're heading back to Fort Canning train station, which is where we started to get here. And we might go to Fort Canning Park, which is across from it, and it looks really beautiful. We've never been there before. We've been to Singapore a few times, but we haven't been, so we might check that out.
It's a beautiful sunny day here in Singapore. It's nice just to walk around and actually just explore. It's great.
So beautiful here, so much cooler under the shade here than outside where it's really hot, making us really sweaty, but we're really enjoying this so far. We're going to head over to the tree tunnel. We're also just going to probably take some photos, and it's still only like midday. We still have like half a day. We actually don't know what we're going to be doing for the rest of the day, but this park is much bigger than I think we were both expecting it, so it might take us a little while to get through here. We're not really sure how long we're going to stay here or if we do the whole thing or not, but so nice so far. Just got back to the hotel. We went out to dinner at the Raffles City at this Italian restaurant. We've just come back and we're just starting to pack for tomorrow. We're leaving Singapore tomorrow morning and we're heading to Europe. This is the major kind of destination that we were really looking forward to going. So going to be flying from Singapore into Munich and then spend a few days there before we travel further on in Europe. As you can see, Kayleigh is just starting to get comfy in the big comfy king bed. And she looks very comfy, but I'm gonna finish packing up my stuff and kind of get ready so that in the morning, because we have to get up and leave the hotel here at about 7 in the morning, so hopefully we can do all about packing tonight. We could get up, just put our shoes on and pretty much just walk out the door. So anyway guys, we're going to finish this, head to bed, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good morning.
Today we're headed to Munich. Let's go.
Just checking out now. Just double checked. We've got everything. We're on our way. Just got to the airport, got through security, and we're just getting some coffee and food.
We just boarded our flight to Dubai, which is then going to take us on our next flight to Munich. So, I'm ready for a nap.
So am I.
You're in the hotel.
تصبح قائمة اليوم.
Like halfway.
I know. We have finally made it to Dubai airport and are just waiting for our flight to Munich. So Dan is just doing some work while I have a little bit of food because I haven't had anything to really eat too much, just apart from snacks on the plane. So yeah, hopefully the flight to Munich is really smooth and can't wait to get there.
One 8 hours and one about 6.5, I think, so almost a full day just flying. But we're happy to be here in Munich and we can't wait to explore. We just got off the train. We're just walking out to our hotel, which is about 1 kilometre away along this really busy road, and we got a Dodge cyclists which are coming right up behind us.
Quite a decent size. Time for breakfast.
Since the weather wasn't great, we decided to go and check out the Deutsches Museum. It's the world's largest museum of science and technology, and we highly recommend making a stop here when you visit Munich. So if you want coffee, and you're in Munich, you can come to this place, Sweet Spot, but it's really good. We've come to Marienplatz and we're just standing in front of this place. Such a beautiful little plaza.
Next time on Wanderwalkers, we travel to one of the most beautiful cities in the world, Innsbruck, Austria.
Make sure to subscribe and follow us over on Instagram at Dan Walker Creative and Kayleigh_Journeys. Thanks for watching.